What's up, guys? Today's job, we have a very clean 2000 model City Golf. I don't think it's a 2000 model, but the customer says so. It's on the logbook. So this car has a lot of oil leaks, and what I did so far, I changed the tappet cover itself. I had a spare one. I also repaired all the oil leaks from the tappet cover. Now we're sorting out clutch. I had an old one there. I'm going to show you the old one. See this one? It was riveted in the wrong place. So, you can see it's damaged there. And most probably, if I get the time, I'm going to change engine mounting. Right side engine mounting here. Customer says it's damaged, but I still need to do my checkups. And yeah, I'll let you guys know the process in this vehicle. Okay, so in order to get to this engine mounting here, this driver's side, let's show if it's clear. Right here, there's a bolt that goes through. So you're going to loosen that bolt on the other side. And then you're going to have... Okay, so I had to remove the timing belt. Customer had a new water pump, so either which way I'm taking out everything. So I removed the water pump, like you can see there. Water pump, alternator belt, cam belt is out. I think I might change the tensioner. In order to remove the plastic cover, this plastic cover here, you'll have to remove your crank pulley. There's 4 size 6 hex key Allen key bolts there. Show you guys this. And you see it's removed there. Then I got everything out. I'm going to remove the engine mounting in the front, and then hopefully everything goes smooth, because this is one of the hardest mountings to change. But yeah, I'm gonna make a plan now and get it out. See this bolt here, this here, and then there's 2 Allen key ones in the back. Yeah, of your mounting? Yeah. Okay, engine mounting is out here for the driver's side, like you can see there. Mounting is damaged right there. So the engine was leaning. It was a mission, but like you can see, there's 2 Allen key bolts that goes in those 2 holes there. And then you got another 2 that holds the plastic cover as well. So you can see the damaged mounting, and then this is the new one that we have to put on. So yeah, usually what the guys do, they'll take like a piece of metal and push it through, and you can still use the same mounting, but it's not advisable. I'd rather just do it the proper way. Okay, we're finally back. You guys can see the car is running. Before it had like a very bad metallic sound, idling smooth. Now I just got the cap open there to take out all the air from the cooling system. And like you can see, no leaks, no water leaks. Engine mounting replaced, water pump replaced, brake booster pipe replaced, engine timing set, and yeah, just need to take this car for a test drive.